The skin around our eyes is incredibly delicate and one of the first places to show signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines are common concerns that many of us face. But instead of spending money on expensive creams and treatments, why not try a powerful natural remedy right at home? Let's dive into the magic behind these ingredients and how they work together to give your eyes a refreshed, youthful glow. You will need Vaseline for this recipe. Take 2 tablespoons of Vaseline in bowl. Then add half tablespoon of coffee powder in this Vaseline. Now add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in it and mix all these ingredients very well, make it like a good paste. This eye cream is just ready to use. You can store it in an airtight container and apply it under your eyes. Caffeine in coffee constricts blood vessels, minimizing swelling. Aloe vera and coffee help fade pigmentation and improve skin tone. Vaseline will provide intense hydration, helping to plump up fine lines. Aloe vera offers a cooling effect, reducing skin irritation and redness. By using this natural remedy regularly, you'll be able to see real improvements in your under-eye area, smoother skin, less puffiness, and a brighter, youthful glow. Share your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural tips.